self-reliant. So I would request Anitya ji if he can please unmute his mic and ask his question.
Sir, you have listed almost a long list of achievements and the uh, fields where now we are almost self-reliant. And from this word self-reliant, I just got reminded of Atmanirbhar Bharat, the clarion call of Pradhan Mantri ji. My question is related to this only, that recently there has been a lot of focus on not only increasing domestic manufacturing capabilities, but also on defense exports, something which were never heard of, that we are exporting something. But in your able leadership, we have achieved this also. And question is, what systemic changes you have seen in mindset of the government to help you in achieving this? Also, how do you see Atmanirbhar Bharat playing a vital role in this?
Firstly, Honorable Prime Minister, when he has visited DRDO in the year 2014, has made his directions very clear to the DRDO that need to focus on advanced technologies and also make in India, meaning trying to make most of the systems in the country, and you focus on many advanced technologies. Now, after giving that impetus, and also the funding of DRDO has been increased in a big way and asked us to spearhead many programs. In fact, none other than it's the Prime Minister's directive to DRDO that you please take up this major program of anti-satellite to demonstrate to the world that India has such capability to engage a satellite with centimeters accuracy in the lower orbit. And he has given only a 2 years time, saying that yes, DRDO has the capability, you please do it in a mission mode, and DRDO could demonstrate that in 2 years. So that paved the way, saying that the country has capabilities to go ahead. Now the Atmanirbhar Bharat is one more step where develop your own technologies here. You make systems here itself, and the technological level of the country has to grow. So you become self-reliant in all these areas. The work what has been happening in the last 1 or 2 decades has been consolidated and working together with the industry and academia and trying to make many more advanced systems in the country is the drive. And Honorable Prime Minister has been giving us directions that you work more and more on the systems, homegrown systems with homegrown design development capabilities, make more and more advanced systems so that you will be able to export in a big way. If you have to export the systems, you need to have state-of-the-art system developed here. You need to have a sustained quality, and the cost of the system has to be low. So you work on that, and then you will be able to export the systems in a big way. There have been a lot of support measures, mechanisms, and policies which have come in the government of India now to support the export of defense equipment in a big way. So those measures, using that, a lot of industries, private industries and public sector industries are trying to export a lot of our products from this country.